being able to make people happy. Just a smile on their face before they leave is just everything to me. Well, I got bullied at a young age, all through primary school and high school, so I wanted to do something to make other people feel good about themselves. So I thought, what better way to do that is beauty. Yeah, so I decided to venture off during my HSC and do a hair course and a beauty course. I had to drop my hair course because it was a bit too much doing a bit of both. And I fell in love with beauty more than hair, so had a few jobs doing beauty. I only really ever had one nice boss out of all of them. So my nice boss kind of was like, well, one day I really want you to venture out and kind of open up your own salon one day. So she sent me away to Dermalogica and did my Dermalogica training. So I'm actually 200 in the country, one of 200 in the country with skin. So I'm pretty proud of that. Waxing, massaging, tinting, manis, pedis, tanning, microdermabrasion facials and peels. Yeah, a bit of everything. When I did my Cert 3 in business training with Daryl, it really gave me an insight of what being your own boss actually entailed. A lot of knowledge on what everything you had to do, which was a little bit scary at first. I didn't want to go through with it because it was a bit too much, because I didn't really do much through school. It was very hard. Yeah, it was really good. It kind of gave me an insight of what it's actually really like to be your own boss. It's completely different what you think it is, but it is possible. You know, if I can do it, anyone can. It is a little bit daunting, but the support that you have is just amazing. Yeah. You know, if you're ever stuck on a question, just reach out and everyone will help you, even everyone in the class as well. It was really nice being able to do it with a bunch of other people instead of just kind of one-on-one as well, because everyone kind of came from different insights and different opinions, which kind of really helped, and everyone's really nice.